Now, before starting the video, I would like to talk about the sponsor of this video, KeysFan. KeysFan.com offers cheap and legal OEM software keys in an easy way. You can activate software such as Windows and Microsoft Office in a fast and reliable way with these keys that are 100% official and suitable for online activation. Moreover, they offer lifetime after-sales support in addition to 24/7 customer support. The Black Friday sale is on right now, so don't miss KeysFan mega discount. If you are interested, you can check the links in the description. Add the product you need to your cart and catch 52% discount for Windows Series with RTG 52 and 62% discount for Microsoft Office and Bundle with RTG 62. Don't forget to check the description for details. What's going on, everyone? It's RGB Tech back here again with another new video. So today in this video, I'm testing out the WINLATOR WB on the low-end Android device. Right now, this is my Galaxy phone powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G with Adreno 619 GPU, running on 6 gigs of RAM. This also applies to other devices with Adreno 619 or lower, like the Adreno 610. Okay, so this is the WINLATOR WB site. Currently, version 8.5.5 is the latest. I've already covered all the features of WINLATOR WB in my previous video, like the new HDR mode, the updated DXVK version, and more. Make sure to check out that video link is in the description. So simply download and install package. I'll close this application. After install, go to its app settings. Go to battery and set battery to no restriction. Now open WINLATOR WB. Allow permission, it starts to install system files. Now head over to settings. Here, input API is already set to both. Setbox 64 version to the latest 0.3.1. Also set preset to performance for better gaming FPS. And it's recommended. Now, save settings. Add new container. Everything is same as usual like we did on our recent videos. Set screen resolution to lowest 600p or very low 480p. Turnip driver is already set. I'll leave driver version to default. And in DXVK, set version to default or set 1.10.3 for better compatibility of most titles. Here, we also have the HDR async version, but it's not really necessary for low-end phones. Set audio driver to pulse audio. In wine configuration, everything is same as usual. Set GPU memory to GTX 480. Also set video memory to 2 to 4 gigs of memory. In environment variables, set Mesa shader cache size to 1 gig. Now to advanced, set startup selection to aggressive. Set Windows version 10 or 7. And in CPU affinity, enable all CPU cores. Now save the container. Now boot the container system. These settings, same applies for the phones in between Adreno 610 to 619 GPU devices. Now, let's first check out Direct3D to make sure all the settings are applied correctly. Okay, well, it's fine like a wine. Also, one more thing. I do recommend to install Microsoft Visual C++ library for better compatibility for some AAA titles. So simply I'll create a shortcut to the container for some games. Now exit container. Alright guys, now it's time to test WINLATOR WB emulator on a low-end Android device. Also check out the description for timestamps. Also, please don't expect pretty high-end AAA titles like God of War, Cyberpunk 77, or GTA 5. Of course, the GTA 5 is playable, like some other guys tested on 619 GPU. Like pretty impressive. If you have 8 gigs with a low-end chip, of course you can survive.
Hide in plain sight. Never compromise the Assassin Brotherhood. These are the tenets of the Creed, the principles I used to live by. I was a young man then. The 7 Years' War was about to begin. I could not have imagined what the future had in store for me, nor the cost I would choose to bear. My name is Shay Patrick Cormac.
Well, we won't lack for firewood at least.
Admit it, I nearly had you.
Nearly counts for nothing, Shay.
And this is Stray PC, a quite demanding DirectX 12 title. Also keep in mind this is screen record. Without it, we can get like 4 to 5 extra frames for this. Anyways, that's all for this video, guys. Hope you liked. Also, subscribe us for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.